What's up, everybody? You know it's your boy Audio back with another video, guys. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back to another video, guys. This is different from what I used to post on my channel, but guys, as I shown you guys in the last video, I've upgrade my PC, my gaming PC, two monitors, and I have two monitors now. I install another monitor, and I done a video of that. And on my gaming channel, I put that in the description. So guys, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that post notification bell to get notified. All right, this video, as you see in the title, is how to fix Ark Survival single player not saving. How to fix it. So today's video is showing you how to fix your single player in Ark not saving, and it's not auto saving either. So I'm going to show you what I did to fix that. And yeah, so first thing first, what I want you guys to do before we do anything, um we want to do one thing first before we start to get into it. I want you to create a file on your desktop right here, and this is for PC, okay, and Epic. If you're on Steam, it will be the same process but somewhat different because I installed the game from Epic. Now I want you guys to create a file on your desktop. Create a new file on your desktop. When you create that file, you will get this file right here. Okay, give me a second. Let I fix this right here. Let me just fix this. Okay, reset. Let me just fix this. Okay, so we got the file right here. What I want you to do, I want you to go where your Epic game is installed and where it's installed. If you do it from Epic, I'm going to show you where. If you install it from Steam, I'm still going to show you where, but I want to show you one thing first. Now, this is we're gonna go to C drive, and I install my own in local disk C. That's my main drive, and this game takes a lot. My game store in program files and Epic Games and Ark, and we're gonna click on shooter game, and then we're gonna click save, and then we're gonna click save Ark local. And then this file right here, this is, you will see a bunch of files right here are like this, but I deleted all the other rest of file them. I deleted all those auto save files. I deleted them. I did leave back one right here, and this was for my OG server game, and this is the file that you want. Now you're gonna right click and copy, and then you're gonna click the file that you put on your desktop. It should be empty. You're gonna open it and you're gonna paste it in there. Okay, and when you paste it in there, it should look like this. Okay, now that is what you want. So now that's step one. Step two is, let's minimize that. For the Steam users, you want to go where you install your Steam and program file 86, and you will go in Steam app, common, and you will see Ark Survival right here. You will click on it and you do the same process that I did with the Epic game. Okay, and find the file, copy it to the file that you put on your desktop right here. Okay, so when you got it on your desktop, you're finished with that. Now let's come off. Now for Steam, you will go on Steam and you will verify the game. And when you verify the game, it will download back any files that were missing. And any file that were missing, it will put it back. But you won't get this file that you are already saved that it was not working, you won't get back this file. Okay, and I'm gonna show you why in just a minute. Now we're gonna go on Epic. I'll show you how to do it on Steam. Just go on Steam, click on the game, click verify the game, and it will download back everything. Now we're on Epic. We're gonna go to library. When you go to library right here, you will see it right here like this. Okay, if you have yearns like this, it's the same thing. Okay, and I have ARK running in the background. So let's just minimize this. No, I'm gonna let it stay. I'm gonna let it stay. No, I'm gonna cancel it because I want to show you guys what I did. Okay, so now when you go on Epic and you find the game that you want, the ARK Survival, there's a three dot right here. This is how I change mine. If your one's like this, there's a three dot right here. You're gonna click on that three dot. Now it will give you this drop down menu right here. You're gonna click on manage. When you click on manage, you can uninstall the app, the game from here, but we want to verify, and you always want it to put on auto update. Okay, but even if you put it on auto update, once you launch the game, it will update. We're gonna click verify right here. When we click verify, you won't see launcher right here. You will see pause, and then you will see it's rendering the game files to find out if any is missing. If any is missing, it will do that, and you will see a download button right here. Now when you click that download button, it will show you the processing of the files that is Epic is putting back the files in here. Now when you do that and it's done and you see launch, what you want to do, you want to go back into the game. Now when you go back into the game, you won't get the regular file that you have, because once you already back it up. So once you launch a game and you go in local, you click play, and we're gonna let it play. Now you will start just normal. You won't have no base, you won't have nothing, but you will still have your levels, and I'm gonna show you. I spent the whole night to this morning figuring it out, try to figure it out. I even write to Epic, and Epic send me to the website of ARK, but there's a lot of stuff you gotta do to report a bug on ARK. So I was working on it same way, just to find a way to get it to work. Now we're gonna wait for this thing to load up. This is where the game save. These are my two. I was experimenting on these two dinosaurs right here. Okay, I saved them to verify that the game saved. All right, my base is all the way down there. Usually before I do this, I would spawn down at my base. It don't matter what I did, if I go far, it won't do it. Now once you born spawning the game, you just want to come all the way or right where you're at. Okay, just right where you're at. You will click on escape, and then you will click on exit to main file, and then when you exit to main file, okay, when you go back on the game, you should spawn back right where you at. But no, here is the thing. You want your old file to go back. You want back your previous game. You want back the game that you have worked hard hours working on. You want it back. That is why we told you in the first beginning to create this file right here. This is the file that you have the first save file on. Now what I want you to do, I want you to go back on C drive. I make a shortcut right here, but I'm gonna show you just the same. You will see them pop up. Once you use them, you will see them pop up right here. This is the file that I've installed the game on, and the save file. You're gonna click on this PC, local disk, program files, Epic Games, ARK Survival, shooter game, save file, and then you will click Save ARK Local. And then you will see this file right here. This is the file that you created first. And you will see these other files right here. You will see one or two of these files right here. Don't worry about that. Now what I want you to do, I want you to go back into the file that you have installed the game on, the save file. Now when you click on it, I want you, let me just set this right here. So I want you guys to see. I want you to left click and drag it over here. When you drag it over here, it will replace this file right here. Now when you replace this file right here, you no longer need this, but you still can have this file as a backup. You can put it in a different drive just in case it happens again. You save the file, put them in somewhere where you can get them. All right. Now when you do that right there, when you do this, now you won't start back fresh. You will start back with what you have already. So once you do that, then you will click back on ARK Survival, and this will load up. So we're gonna wait for it to load up. I'm gonna skip out this part right here. When you click back on ARK, you should spawn right in your base. Anywhere you have saved the file before, you should spawn there. And what you want to do, you want to leave from where you have spawned and come anywhere else in the map and click this, click escape, and click exit to main file, and then you go back on the game. You go, I launched the game 2 times. That is why this pop up right here, because it's still right here. I launched the game 2 times, so sometimes you got to be careful. When you click it the first time, it will look like it's not loading up, but it's loading up, and then you click it again, and then it will give you that error right there. Okay, so that is how I fix my ARK survival game. That is how I fix it. So guys, I hope this worked for you. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. I will be live streaming today, and I want you guys to go check me out on my channel. Yeah, go check me out on my channel, guys. And I want this thing to work for you. All right, guys. So guys, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please hit that thumbs up, that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit that post notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. And guys, I will see you in the next video.